What's up guys, how are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing great. So today I'm going to dedicate a video to all the small creators out there, all people who want to learn how to edit. So this video is meant for you. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. So today I'm going to teach you introduction for a video which is called the Carousel 3D cinematic intro. So this is a very good intro for videos, and most creators usually forget that introduction for videos plays a very important place and makes your audience know like the click rate. It affects the click rate. So you need a very good you need a very good hook for your videos. Yeah, so join me as I show you guys how to make this good cinematic 3D carousel introduction for your video. And also, if you love my videos, don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and also go watch my other videos. So I appreciate it. So let's dive in and let me show you.
Welcome to Kenya, where modern cities rise above the skyline and smooth highways connect people, dreams and opportunities. A land blessed with breathtaking landscapes, home to some of the world's most incredible wildlife. From the busy streets of our growing cities to the perfect beauty of white sandy beaches. Kenya is a nation of culture, adventure and endless possibilities. Diverse, beautiful and unforgettable. Kenya, the pride of Africa.
So the first thing you need to do is open CapCut and create a new project. Once CapCut opens, click on a new project and import all the photos that you want to use for your cinematic intro. A mistake many beginners make is selecting random videos that don't match each other. For the best results, try to use videos that have similar colors, lighting, or tell a story. For me, I'm going to make a carousel effect which is more professional and connected. So mine will be more of Kenya, telling about cities in Kenya. So once your videos are imported, make sure to put them on the timeline. Then after we're done, we're going to put keyframes. So these are important features to use. So we put keyframe at the beginning of the video, and then we add another keyframe at the end of the video. So this will create one of the cinematic intros, and it's going to be a really good help. So we're going to also create another one at the end of the video, so this will make this effect. But we have only started. We haven't even reached the middle. So once we have done this, we need to select the clip and find the middle part of the clip. So once we find the middle part of the clip, we add a keyframe at the middle. So this keyframe that we add in the middle will be for the transition. Now once we do this, we duplicate all these clips and add them to be on overlay. So once they are done, for the number of clips you're doing, you put them according to the timeline and according to the keyframe that we added in the middle. So you make sure you add them well according to how many clips you did. So once we have added all of our clips and made them to be on the right timeline, we're going to add the other clips. So you're going to right click on each clip and press replace. Once you press replace, you find the clip that you want, then you put the video where you want it to be, Yeah, and you do that to all the videos. Yeah, and according to what you want the video to be talking about. Yeah. So far so good. Our intro looks good, but it doesn't have the 3D effect. So we need to add the 3D effect. So to make it cinematic and look good. Yeah, so this is how it looks so far. So to add the 3D effect and make it look good, we need to add a black background. So after adding the black background, we're going to add a mask. So we're going to choose a circle mask. Then after that, we're going to make it oval. So the oval shape will make it more 3D. Yeah, so we need to make this oval, and then after making each side the oval part, we're going to duplicate the black video. Yeah, so after duplicate, we put it down. Yeah, so this is how it will look. Yeah, and this is how it looks right now. Yeah, that makes a very huge difference. Yeah, and you can see it looks more good and cinematic. Yeah, so you need to adjust it until it looks good and how you want it to be. Yeah. So once you're done, you can decide to add words, yeah, so that to make it more cool. Yeah, so we can choose colors and make our text look good. Yeah, so that's how we make this. So once everything is done, make sure everything fits according to what you want. Yeah, and this is how our video looks. Let me show you guys the final result. But the good thing about this, it makes your intro look really good and catchy, So for more videos like this ones, make sure you check out my channel. Yeah, you know premium things you need. Yeah, so you can export free on CapCut. Yeah, so
Welcome to Kenya, where modern cities rise above the skyline and smooth highways connect people, dreams, and opportunities. A land blessed with breathtaking landscapes, home to some of the world's most incredible wildlife. From the busy streets of our growing cities to the perfect beauty of white sandy beaches. Kenya is a nation of culture, adventure, and endless possibilities. Diverse, beautiful, and unforgettable. Kenya, the pride of Africa.